Well, I think we are ready, and first of all we need to create a texture paper, and for that we need to create a couple of new layers. Go and insert our texture paper file. Add insert a file. Ta-da! So that's our texture paper. We need to duplicate it 2 times. After that move to linear burn and color burn. And after that also duplicate it 2 times and merge linear burn together and color burn together and group that. So that's our texture paper, and I want to lower the opacity slightly like that, so that's fine for me. And now next step, I want to insert the file, our reference pictures that I found on a website Unsplash. Ta-da! I do like red pandas, so that's why I want to paint this red panda today. And guys, the main feature of our today's class will be that we're gonna paint red panda, the picture, in 2 different styles. So first style is more Japanese one, so Japanese style, and second style is traditional watercolor painting. So I will lower the opacity, and first of all we need to make a sketch. So I'm gonna go and grab black color, and I will go and grab pencil. And guys, the main feature of our today's class will be that I'm gonna use just brushes that were made in Procreate for Procreate, so you don't need to install any other brushes, so that's pretty convenient. So now I go to our ink and set, and I'm gonna go and grab Mercury brush, the one that I do like. And now let's start. We are on a new layer, keep that in mind. And now let's create our sketch. I decided to take our red panda from my gallery because I need all the space that we have in the Procreate. And let's start. And first of all, I'm gonna paint picture in Japanese style, and for that I'm gonna need on a layer that is below our texture paper. And now we need to go and grab our brush, and I go to the painting brush and grab our gouache brush. And for that I will go and grab something between red and orange color. Yeah, and start painting. Try not to lift your Apple Pencil from the screen, because it's very important for Japanese art. And if occasionally you did it and you add some overlap with the colors, just go to blending tool. Just go and grab gouache brush as a blender and blend it nicely, like this. Okay, fine. Now we need to go and grab white color. Now I need darker color because I want to draw nose. Right here, yeah. This fox is pretty lovely. And I need to show some shades, like around the nose, in these areas. And just blend some sharp lines. Now speaking about magic trick, look here. We're just gonna go and duplicate it 2 times, and as you might see, it's pretty saturated right now. Blend some sharp lines. If you want, you can duplicate it even more, like this. Pretty lovely. And our next step is I'm gonna go and add some shades. Same brush, our gouache brush, and I want to add some shades. And let's start doing that even darker. Don't worry, later we'll duplicate this layer so that it will be pretty dark. Okay, pretty nice. Now I will merge that together. So we have our red panda here. But this is not the end, I need to show some, emphasize some lines. And I will grab wild light and I need to add some details, and that will be the end. And now let's merge all of it together, and our final step, I want to make it a little bit saturated. Yeah, so, and last step, what I'm gonna do is I want to add some frame. So I will choose 2 layers, our sketch layer and our painting layer, and I will just move it somewhere here to the middle. And yep, voila. We have our first option, our first painting. This is our red panda in Japanese style, and next step is painting red panda in traditional watercolor style without all those sketch layer. Let's keep doing that. You can lift your Apple Pencil from the screen, it's fine. Okay, perfect. Green color. Okay, cool. Now duplicate. 2 times is fine for me. Still lower the opacity of our sketch layer. And now I'm gonna go to my artistic set and I will go and grab old beach brush. Thanks to the watercolor texture, all brushes, like if you add them in a proper way, they can turn into watercolor ones. So it's pretty simple, it takes time, but the scheme is pretty simple. Now trees. Ta-da! If you paint without sketch, if you leave your painting without sketch layer, it's more complicated because you need to add all the details, you need to show the lines that separate one object from another. So for the second picture, it might take more time to finish, to complete our painting. Stones. And also, this brush is pretty sensitive, so be careful with the pressure. Like this. And now panda. I need to emphasize some shades. Here. Let's just blend some sharp edges. Of course, texture paper is very important. You can see that now. If we turn off our texture paper, the feeling is not actually like this is watercolor, but if we turn it on, now we have a feeling that it was painted with the watercolor paintings. That's why the texture paper is very important. Okay, I think now we are ready for adding shades, and for that what we would do, we're gonna go to the selection tool, use freehand, and now I want to start adding some shades. I select that area and press add. Add here, add, add the nose, add, and after that feather maybe 2%, hue, saturation, brightness, and lower the brightness, increase saturation. And if some parts are pretty sharp, just blend them. And after that we will go to same artistic set and grab wild light brush, and we need to add some details. Okay, now we can turn off our sketch layer, It's pretty nice, but I need to blend some parts, some areas. I think we are ready. Guys, I hope you enjoyed our today's tutorial, and now you know how to paint red panda into different styles. So please go ahead and paint your own red panda. If you like, please share with me, and if you like my class, please subscribe, thumbs up, and let's see each other next time.